Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to locate calendar and tap on it. Then click on this icon at the bottom right corner, just got it, and tap on the month above. Over here you can pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and create your event by clicking at the bottom right corner. Choose event over here and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting or ending hour, turn off this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day, tap on add location, select while using the app or only this time, type wherever you wish to, and tap on the correct location. Then choose add notifications and set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. You can even take notes and when you're ready, save your event by tapping at save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created, but you can always edit it by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon over here and making your changes. For example, I want to delete my location and set up that one. Then click on save at the top right corner, and if you wish to get rid of your event, you can always click on it again, but this time tap on those three dots at the top right corner, select delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!